exposing the secret to a weeknight meal that's both easy and insanely tasty. One-pan spicy feta pasta with shrimp. This dish is perfect for those busy evenings when you want something quick yet flavorful. First, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This step is crucial to get those tomatoes perfectly roasted. And let's get those tomatoes ready. Cherry tomatoes are ideal for this recipe because they become sweet and juicy when roasted. Toss a pint of cherry tomatoes with olive oil, oregano, red pepper flakes, salt, and pepper. The seasoning will enhance their natural flavors. Spread them on a baking sheet and roast until they're blistered and soft, about 20 to 25 minutes. This will give them a rich, concentrated flavor. Now, let's cook the pasta. Choose your favorite type of pasta. Penne or fusilli work great for this dish. Bring a pot of salted water to a boil and cook your pasta al dente. This means it should be firm to the bite, not too soft. Meanwhile, heat olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. This will be the base for our sauce. Toss in minced garlic and red pepper flakes and cook until fragrant. The aroma will be irresistible. Time for the shrimp. Increase to medium-high heat. Add the shrimp and cook until pink and opaque, around 2 to 3 minutes per side. Make sure not to overcook them. Now, stir in those gorgeous roasted tomatoes, crumbled feta, parsley, and your cooked pasta. The feta will melt slightly, creating a creamy texture. If it looks a bit dry, add reserved pasta water until it's just right. This starchy water helps bind the sauce to the pasta. Season with salt, pepper, garnish with parsley or basil, and voila! You can also add a squeeze of lemon juice for a fresh zing. Enjoy your one-pan spicy feta pasta with shrimp. It's a delightful combination of flavors and textures. Outro. Thanks for watching the Culinary Recipe Creations channel. We hope you loved this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and hit that notification button for more delicious recipes. Happy cooking! Your feedback means the world to us.